Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently stands at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently sits at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically signals a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $387.66 is breached, it will likely indicate an accelerated rate of decline. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.15% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -10.38% to -1.23%. Examining the long-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of about 0.113%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 0.0826% and 20.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $388.93 and $468.44. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The Microsoft stock price increased by approximately 0.03% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025. It rose from $388.49 to $388.61. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.96%, reaching a low of $381.21 and a high of $392.48. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a decline of 5.13%. However, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 6 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 29 million shares were exchanged for approximately $11.29 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest was $381.21. Currently, the price sits 17.3%, or $79.74, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft stock has recently reached a new 52-week low, reflecting broader weaknesses affecting technology stocks. While analysts note that the sell-off may be overdone for Microsoft, they suggest that the company's robust fundamentals, such as its significant stake in OpenAI, could provide a buffer against the current downturn. Presentations at events like the Morgan Stanley Technology, Media, and Telecommunications Conference showcase Microsoft's ongoing commitment to innovation, signaling to investors that long-term growth remains on track. In the short term, this volatility may deter some investors, particularly as the company faces challenges from the unraveling of the artificial intelligence trade. However, for long-term investors, the recent dip in stock price presents a potential buying opportunity. Analysts are confident that as clarity around artificial intelligence growth narratives unfolds, Microsoft's value could appreciate significantly. Furthermore, with Microsoft's technology portfolio continuing to show strength amid intense competition, the foundation remains solid for eventual recovery. As the market grapples with shifting dynamics in technology, attention towards Microsoft's strategic innovations will be crucial. The interplay between immediate market pressures and the company's long-term potential will likely create a pivotal moment for investors in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, December 18, 2024, UBS provided Microsoft with a buy rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, December 10, 2024, Needham gave Microsoft a hold rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Piper Sandler assigned a neutral rating to Microsoft, also with a hold recommendation. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Microsoft stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $395.46 and $416.10. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by 0.0309%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is seen as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $388.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $11.27, which is equivalent to 2.96% between its high and low points. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal and is often observed in businesses with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of $3.20. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $388.49. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Smith Bradford L. conducted an insider sale of 3,722,385 shares of common stock. On the same day, Numoto Takeishi executed an insider sale of 1,294,178 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Jala Alice L. performed an insider sale of 444,056 shares of common stock. Additionally, Hood Amy sold 4,390,842 shares of common stock on that date. Lastly, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider sale of 1,744,787 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 6.773. In total, insiders purchased 487,822 shares and sold 414,585 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $363.71, representing a decline of 6.41%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a reduced risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing the conclusion from a sell to a hold or accumulate status. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by $1.18, beginning trading at $387.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.